Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update GoHighLevel workflows for lead capture apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your GoHighLevel dashboard. Navigate to the Workflows section from the main menu. Select the workflow you intend to update. Review the current workflow steps for lead capture apps. Identify the specific elements you wish to modify. Click on the step you want to edit to open its settings. Adjust the triggers as needed, ensuring they align with your updated lead capture strategy. Modify any conditions that dictate when the workflow should activate. If necessary, add new steps by selecting the plus icon in the workflow. Choose the appropriate action to implement, such as sending a notification or creating a task. Connect the new step to the existing workflow by dragging the line between them. Consider adding delay steps if you require a waiting period before the next action. Review the integrations connected to your workflow to ensure compatibility with your lead capture apps. Save your updates frequently to avoid losing changes. Test the workflow by running a simulation to ensure it operates smoothly. Make any final adjustments based on the test results. Once satisfied, publish the updated workflow to make it live. Monitor the performance of the workflow after it goes live to track its effectiveness. Be prepared to iterate again based on user feedback and lead response. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.